On the edge of Tampa Bay, where sunlight meets surrealism, stands the Dalí Museum in St. Petersburg, Florida. It's a shrine to the dream world of Salvador Dali. The building itself feels like something Dali might have imagined, a surreal bubble of glass and concrete, part fortress, part dreamscape. Inside, light spills down a spiral staircase that echoes Dali's obsession with geometry, infinity, and the blurred line between science and imagination. Every corner holds a glimpse into Dali's world, myth, memory, and the mechanics of the subconscious. Here, his canvas becomes confession. Dali fuses grief and genius in portraits that bend time and emotion. Visitors move from epic historical visions to optical illusions, paintings that transform before your eyes, like his haunting fusion of Gala and Abraham Lincoln. Dali turns beachscapes into hallucinations, and philosophers into spirits trapped inside brushstrokes. Even his most famous melting clocks reappear here, broken down and reborn, mirroring the way time itself dissolves in the surreal. And at the museum's entrance, a touch of pure Dali theater, the Rainy Rolls. It's a dripping 1933 Rolls-Royce where mannequins sit under an eternal storm, a tribute to Dali's original Rainy Taxi. From the dreamscapes inside to the shimmering waters outside, the Dalí Museum is more than a gallery. It's a portal to the place where imagination never dries up.